Hello everyone. Start off by taking these wires and then take a knife and then cut off the outer portion of these wires. This way you will be left only with the wire portion of it and not the protective conductive layer. Now bend the wire as such and then make it almost into this knotted like shape. Now insert it into this and then wrap circles around it using the same wire. This is the shape you should be left with. Afterwards, take another pair of scissors or a plier and then bend it over as such. Wrap another wire around it. Afterwards, add little hands to it and now you've made yourself a little robot. Add little hanging positions to it as well, and then make it into a keychain by adding a lock to the top. Next, we will take a wire and then taking this portion of it, cut it off to begin with. Now taking a plier, remove the outer conductive layer of it. Now make the circular shape out of it, wrap it around as such. Once you are done with this, bend the top, make it into a circular shape, that is a larger circular shape. Now add the layer of conductive to it and then wrap it around the bottom as such. Once you wrap it around, make sure that it is tightly bound and then make another circular layer at the bottom. Once you have done this, add the conductive layer around this. Wrap the excess of it around the bottom. Make it into the shape of a circle. Now start off by making the top of the bike, that is the seat portion of it, bend over the top in order to do so, and then make the handle of the bike once you are done with this. Using the plier, bend it over in order to make the handle. Wrap the excess around once again. Finally, taking the last layer of it, begin to make the other side of it. Make the wire portion of your little cycle and then move on to the wheel portion of it. That is the detailing of the wheel. This is what you should be left with. Wrap it around the side as such. We will be making the movable portion of it. Should you wish to, you may also add the detailing of the wheel. However, we have chosen to leave it as such. Now we will be learning how to make this rose. In order to do so, first start off by taking a red wire, then use a plier in order to make these red circles as such. Make multiple of these. Then take a green wire and then roll it up as such. Make a stem out of it as well. Flatten it. Now taking the green portion to begin with, begin to insert all of your red portions into it. Now take the green stem, add it all together, and this is what you should be left with. Now cut out this wire using a plier, then take the knife and then cut out the outer conductive layer of it. Wrap this wire around a toothpick and then make the spring-like structure out of it. Spread it out ever so slightly. Once you are done with this, make a circular shape out of this. Join it all together, make multiple of these, and it should begin to look like flowers. After this, make a little tree of life out of it. Take the base of a little bottle cap and then add some clay to it or pebbles and add all of it together. Thank you for watching.